Hi guys, Jeff Webb here. In this video, I'll be playing 5 guitar riffs that I've come across over the past few years and have really enjoyed playing. 2 of the riffs come from my favorite guitar book, The Guitar Lictionary, and the other 3 riffs come from various artist pages on social media. In the description field below, I will provide links to the artist web pages, and I'd urge you to check those out as they are some very talented musicians. I will play each riff 3 times. Once at full speed, wide view, once at full speed, close-up view, and once at slow speed, close-up view. Let's go!